Let's start with the first job opening. So this is in the company Code Lancer. So today we have job openings for the developers as well. So this is Code Lancer company. Okay, so this is internship. Okay, someone who wants to join as an intern or they are fresher, they can join. Cybersecurity, they are the roles that they have: cybersecurity analyst, associate analyst, and data analyst. And this is a form URL. If you want me to drop and form URL in the chat box, so just comment it out. So I'll send you a link. So the people, those who are looking, company is Code Lancer. They are looking for the people those who can join the internship. And guys, basically it's an internship job, so no experience is required. But in case if you are going to work somewhere, then fresher doesn't mean they don't have even 0 times of experience. So it means like you have at least 6 months of experience and 1 month of experience, 1 years of experience. Then only expect some sort of job. Without even a 0 days of experience, there is very less chance you're going to get a job. So just keep in mind. Next is this is security analyst L1 position. 3 to 4 seats are available right now for what they're looking. 24/7 it's just shift. Okay. So 5 days a week, no virtual interview, it's face to face. BTech, MTech people's most preferable, and 2023 to 2024 peoples are will get priority. CH certified people should be there, and they are the key responsibility, which is somehow SIEM kind of work, SOC, L1, lower one. Okay, and just read out all those things accordingly. You can apply. You can pause this video and check out. Fresher graduate, computer science, information security people can do a strong. They should have a strong understanding of cybersecurity concept and principles. CH people will get kind of more priority. Okay, they are the framework which the applicant should be familiar of. And this is the mail ID: Sai Suramputi @vucyber.com. Okay, so on which you can drop your mail ID. Now let's move to the next one. So now L2, which means they want little experience. Okay, Abu Dhabi is the place where they want. So if you want to do Al Habibi, okay, you can go to Abu Dhabi. Okay, so UAE. Okay, so 4 to 6 years of experience is required for this job role, and they want someone with the proficient in incident management and incident responding. It's a SOC based job, so sometimes you need to work as 24/7. Shift is there, which is on the rotation based. Okay, so you'll get according to company. SIM, SSL, packet analysis, HIPS, NIPS, network monitoring tools. All this thing is where you need to be familiar. And ticketing is also very much important that you need to take care of. This is the mail ID: Bindu Rani Bindu Rani@cybergate.x. So company name is Cybergate. So apply if you want. Next one is Wall Tech Security. So guys, this company is looking for web development intern, cybersecurity intern, AIML, Flutter intern, React Native. So this is somehow for the developers. Okay, so if you're a developer, if you're looking for a job, you can apply for this job role. And this is a mail ID: World Tech Consultancy at gmail.com. So it might be a startup because they are using Gmail. They might not be having a website, so I guess they're not going to pay you more, but just check it accordingly. You can do, right. Next is associate lead, team lead in Manchester. Manchester is somehow, I guess, on the top of middle list. So they want someone who can lead out the SOC team and manage the third party appliances. Azure, AWS, Linux, Windows knowledge is important. And if you're experienced in managing external security providers, that's well and good. Okay, and so just it's kind of more into managing, leading the team. So you can apply if you want. This is a mail ID: a.gcstechtalent.com. Do accordingly. Now next is someone looking for urgent opening. This urgent opening, those who want to join, and this is like someone should have very strong in English. Okay, not like me. Okay, they should have a strong communication skills, right? We can join accordingly. This is a minimum 6 months of experience is required, and up to 1 year of experience is required. If you're freelancer, please don't try to mail him. Okay, and they want exactly the people who those who have basic even knowledge of cybersecurity. Just drop your resume on Kanta Chaudhary 066 at gmail.com. So you might get selected. Next is Strops is hiring. Okay, they are hiring for security analysts, those who should have good knowledge. Minimum 2 years of experience ही required. 5 years तक चलेगा भाई, है तो ज्वाइन कर लो. दिस इज मेल आई डी राधिका डॉट गर्भम एट रेट स्टॉप्स डॉट को. नेक्स्ट इज Elite Tech Intern is the company who is looking for all these positions. Data science, machine learning, cyber security, software developer, UI, UX, full stack development, data analysis, cloud computing, Python developer, Android developer, Flutter, graphics designer, Java developers. So that's what they're looking for. This is a mail ID, and this is the contact number on which you can drop your resume, whatever you want, and accordingly you might get selected. Next is Strops again, already posted. L2 threat analysis. Okay, so it's a Australia based job. Okay, so visa is required, UAE based job. This is the mail ID. This is the WhatsApp number on which you can drop your resume. Okay, and this is much into SOC. Okay, L2 SOC analyst L2 role is there, so you can drop accordingly. APT, SIM, EDI, all those knowledge are required. That's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, please drop accordingly. I can answer your questions. Thank you very much.